morning the roofers are in and they're stripping the rest of the tiles. You can see here they're stripping all of these. We're going to be re-felting, re-battening the whole roof. It is absolutely pouring with rain. Absolutely soaking wet today, so really grateful for this tin roof now.
Yeah. You're gonna be on a YouTube, come for builders.
Oh, what? Doing what?
You're gonna be on a YouTube, come for builders.
He don't know what YouTube is. Simple, isn't it, Jane? Put a waterproof coat on, it's not raining.
Here we can see the 3-layer spun bonded breathable membrane that they're using. It's a brand called Prestige Supervent. It's 112 grams per square meter. So it is quite lightweight, but it does qualify for wind zones once it's battened. Yeah, it's pretty good. 50 meters, half a meter in width. Pretty decent. Allows water to come through as condensation, but not the other way. The idea being that any condensation that comes through the insulation drips down under the battens, into the gutters, and not back into the insulation.
What the daughter's granddaughter's birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, Courtney's birthday.
Yeah. And you only want it taxed now, yeah? Yeah. You alright to get them up? Or do you want them in here, or what?
Steve's showing quite a handy technique here to work out the level that the battens need to be from one side of the roof to the next, using a long batten as a story stick effectively to mark the distance from the top of the rafters all the way down to get the level correct.
Yeah. Well, mate, you do your end and I'll take mine. saw my end, mate, so you want to do your end first anyway.
We can't get your online shopping delivered right away. We can't make your camping Sorry, we can't speed up the traffic.
Weird? What's that?
Speed up the business.
You don't want to answer, does he? You can say then, you try bringing it at the same time.
So you can spend less time.
That's why we do everything we can to help you meet your ideal match, your data set.